Well, it may be raining plastic at Rocky Mountain National Park. A research chemist recently stumbled across this discovery just by accident.
Denver 7's Lance Hernandez spoke with him today. And Lance, this find raises all sorts of questions, doesn't it?
All sorts of questions, Ann, like where is the plastic coming from? Are the deposits on the increase? And what does it mean for the ecological system? Well, Greg Weatherby and his team take samples, put them in bottles, and send them off to the lab where they filter the water. The filters are sent back to the USGS. They put them under a microscope and so far have found that 90% of the samples have little tiny pieces of plastic known as microplastics. Now, he says they can use NOAA models to determine where the plastic is coming from during any sample period, but he adds that they don't know yet whether the amount of plastic is increasing. I asked if that microplastic might get into fish and whether it could be a problem for humans who consume those fish.
Those are questions that ecologists can try to answer now. We know that this material is widespread because it's in the rain and the snow, so it must be pretty much everywhere, right? But now we need to find out how much is depositing, where it's depositing, and then how does this material affect the ecosystem.
Mr. Weatherby says learning where the plastic is coming from will help him study nitrogen deposits. He says that's important because nitrogen is like increasing fertilizer for the park, which can help invasive species take root and, of course, crowd out natural species. Lance Hernandez, Denver 7.
Thank you, Lance.